Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can enable screen sharing on your Discord mobile. It's really simple, so let's hop on to Discord and show you how. So the first thing that you want to do is join the Discord testers server, which you are going to do by pressing the plus button on the top right, on the top bottom left corner of your screen. I'm sorry. Just click on join server and enter the link that I'm going to type in right here. https dot slash discord.gg slash discord line testers. Once you've done that, you should accept the invite, and you are now on the Discord testers server, and you have access to some extra features on your Discord. Now, one other thing that you need to do is that you need to have voice overlay activated. So I'm going to show you how you can do it, but I won't be able to have any voice on it because Discord doesn't allow me to. So I'm just going to go on the general, and once I'm there, I'm going to go on settings and enable it, or like I will show you right now. And once you've enabled it, you should restart your Discord, and once you hop on any voice channel, you should see that you've gained access to the screen sharing feature, as you'll see right now. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.